Sometimes, when playing high-resolution videos like 4K at 60 frames per second in VLC Media Player, you might experience stuttering or lagging. While there isn't a universal fix, especially if your graphics card lacks the necessary support, there are several steps you can take to improve playback. First, open VLC Media Player, click on the Help menu, and then select Check for Updates. Allow VLC to update to the latest version, as newer versions often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Beyond updating VLC, ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. To do this, search for Device Manager in your Windows search bar and open it. Once Device Manager is open, expand the section labeled Display Adapters. Right-click on your display driver and select the option to Update Driver. This process helps ensure your graphics card is communicating effectively with your system and software, like VLC. While these steps can significantly improve playback performance, it is important to note that if your hardware, specifically your graphics card, does not meet the demands of 4K 60 FPS playback, you may not be able to achieve smooth performance. In such cases, upgrading your hardware would be the most impactful solution. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.